it like this. Go. Rock it. Rock it. Rock it. Rock it. Rock it. Rock it like this.
Nobody exists on purpose. Nobody belongs anywhere. Everybody's gonna die.
Rock it. Rock it. Rock it like this.
Well, then get your shit together. Get it all together and put it in a backpack. All your shit, so it's together. And if you gotta take it somewhere, you know? Take it to the shit store and sell it. Or put it in a shit museum. I don't care what you do. You just gotta get it together. Get your shit together. Your shit together. Your shit together.
Rock it. Rock it. Rock it like this.
Nobody exists on purpose. Nobody belongs anywhere. Everybody's gonna die.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Hey, beautiful day outside today. Yep. Welcome back to the channel. Right. Okay, I was looking at the market today, the crypto market, and all my favorite coins is down, but I had my eyes on Ethereum. Ethereum looked like it's just been ripping, yo. Remember that thing was like 1,300? Now it's at like 3,300. I'm about to put some money on that thing. I highly recommend that y'all wait for the dip. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for that thing to dip down. Just looking at that chart, and it's real overextended. Like the 20 moving average and the 200 moving average is really separated. It's really far apart. So what that signals to me is that it's going to be a big correction coming up, and it's going to be a great buying opportunity to get in Ethereum. Now, majority of my money is still in XRP. Don't get it twisted. I'm still heavy on the XRP. All right. Now, freedom. I want to talk about freedom. Okay. We're living in some funny times, some scary times right now, and I honestly believe that cash is turning into trash, right? And that crypto is going to be a major part of this financial economy that we're coming into. It's going to be like a huge new financial structure that we're moving to. And I believe that if we get in now, if we get this crypto now, that's gonna make us wealthy in a few years. It's already made a lot of millionaires, and I'm kind of upset myself that I didn't catch it earlier, that I didn't do my due diligence and buy in earlier than I did. But I'm so relieved that I'm in it now. I mean, I didn't believe in it at first, and then I started to put my little bit of cash in, and my cash started to grow very fast. And that's what brings me to this video. I want y'all all to get into crypto as soon as possible. I'm not telling y'all to throw every dime you have in it. Throw a little bit. Throw like 25%. Throw a quarter of your excess cash into the crypto game. Okay, this when I think about the crypto in the future, I think about, you know, everybody talking about, yeah, cash at me this, cash at me that. Next thing you go hear is, here's my wallet this, here's my wallet that. Pay me in crypto. They already got NFL players talking about, don't pay me my contract out in cash, pay my contract out in crypto. Yeah. All right. One of the memes I posted in the intro of this video is showing basically that the buying power of your cash is freaking, you can't even buy a lot what you could before. Hey y'all, neighbors, you couldn't even buy a lot. Like you go to the grocery store back in the day with 20 bucks, you'd be able to buy almost a half a cart of groceries. You can't even get 4 items for 20 bucks nowadays. As they print more money, the value of it is going down. But at the same time, crypto is going up. Ain't it something wrong about that? It's got to be something wrong about that. So you know what? I took a look into that. I did some research, and what the wealthy are doing, the wealthy are putting their money into the crypto. The Elon Musks, the Bill Gates, multi-millionaires, is putting their money into this crypto game because they know they're gonna keep printing these dollars out. Another stimulus is coming out. Trillions and trillions of dollars in debt they're gonna put our country in. You know? So I recommend you take some of that free money they're printing and put it into that digital asset. Yeah. I'm telling y'all won't regret it. Y'all will not regret it. Now, what crypto assets should you be looking at? I mean, I'm just the YouTuber up the block and around the corner. I'm just a normal guy here. I'm not a financial advisor or anything, but I put a lot of time and energy into researching like what we should be doing, what we should be investing in. Once y'all look into XRP, Ethereum, VeChain, Cardano, a lot of the actually all the cryptos that I do in my last video, I'm invested in. Yeah. So, like I was saying, as they print more money, the value of the money go down. In some countries that they did this in, they saying that you could take a barrel of money into the grocery store and you wouldn't be able to buy a loaf of bread. Whew, I'm out of shape. It's walking and talking. But it's real, y'all. Try not to curse here on this channel. But it's real. I ran across something where it's predicted that the economy will crash. And that's scary. That the powers that be want the United States dollar to come down. And I don't understand it. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just following the money. I'm following what the rich is doing because I'm scared. I'm scared for me, scared for my children. So, following this money, I started seeing that a lot of rich people is like, cash is trash, cash is trash. Don't have a savings account. And a lot of them been putting their money, actually taking it out of the stock market and putting it into the crypto market. And so I had to look into that, like, why are they doing that? Why would they do that? And then I look on the news, there's another stimulus coming out. And after that, there's another one coming out. Trillions of dollars in debt and stuff. And they not even worrying about who's gonna pay for it. Who's gonna pay for it all? What if the dollar crashes and they don't even give a fuck? What if they keep printing, saying that we ain't paying, nobody's gonna pay it back. We're just gonna keep printing until everything collapses. And now that collapse, we're gonna build up a new infrastructure to last the next 100 years. Everything's gonna go digital. And that's scary. So yeah, freedom is gonna be getting down with the program. They're not gonna tell you the program. You gotta look into it and see what's going on around you. Okay? I believe they're gonna usher in something called universal basic income. Whereas though, once they digitize, make the dollar digital, they can print it as much as they want. It's nothing gonna be backing it. They took the dollar off the gold standard, so nothing's backing our currency right now. With cryptocurrency, at least you'll have a chance to get this paper and get rich before everybody else does. Okay, it's made me a couple fucking dollars. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I put my money in there. I put some of my family's money in there. That shit made us a couple dollars. I'm like, yo. So now all my money's going in there. All of it. You know? But I just wanted to touch base with y'all on that. Okay, freedom is not free. Freedom is not free, and I believe that we're all in the jam. We're all kind of in the slavery system. Okay, I believe that slavery was never abolished. It was just tweaked to implement everybody. Everybody who got to clock in. Everybody who's got to be at this job for all these long hours. It's not supposed to be like that, really, dude. So with this universal basic income, they plan to print more money than God, you know, to keep people stimulated. You know, just look it up. Just Google universal basic income. That's about to hit very soon. And they saying that you will own nothing and you will be happy. But this is not a doom and gloom. I don't want it to be a doom and gloom video. I want it to be an enlightening video. Okay? Get into cryptocurrency if you can, if you have the means to. All right? It's going to be very important for the future of your children, because the kids who is like under 5 years old now, the children under 5 years old, by the time they reach our age, adulthood, that's all they're going to know. I guarantee you that's all they're going to know is getting into crypto. I wish I was able to get into crypto back in 2021. Dad, where was you at when crypto was booming, when crypto was cheap? Mom, what you was doing when crypto was very cheap? Okay? Just educate yourselves. This is a enlightening video. We going for freedom, y'all. We going for freedom. Take some of that free stimulus money, put a little bit in there, see what it do, experiment with it. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. All right? Well, this is Hakeem coming back at you with Carpe Diem with me. Later.